This is the Genesis G90. Bluetooth wireless technology allows your smartphone to connect to your Genesis for a variety of wireless features. To register a new mobile device to your G90, ensure your vehicle is in park with the parking brake applied. Turn on your mobile phone and ensure the Bluetooth feature is active. If no Bluetooth devices are currently connected, press the Bluetooth call button on your steering wheel. Go back to your mobile device and select the vehicle name as it appears on a list of Bluetooth networks available within range. Check the passkey and approve the registration on the device. It may also request permission for the vehicle to access your contacts, call history, and messages. Allow or deny at your own preference. However, keep in mind that it may be better to allow these permissions for a more seamless, integrated experience. The G90 allows up to 6 Bluetooth devices to be registered, although only 2 Bluetooth devices or 1 Bluetooth hands-free device may be active. If you wish to pair multiple devices with the vehicle via Bluetooth, you will need to register them separately. Start by selecting Setup, then Device Connections, then Add. Select the vehicle name on your mobile device and repeat the registration process. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.